Hey, what up guys? I'm gonna show you the quick and easy way how to bleed this Shimano brake line. So I'm using this bleed zone. I got it from Amazon. I'm gonna put the link on the description down below. This the kit you're gonna need. So that's the port right there. So I'm doing downhill. I kind of had my brake tilted down. So to flatten out, I'm gonna unscrew the shifter and the brake lever. So I'm using number 4 to turn everything up to flatten out. So let me lift it up a little bit. Now it's flat. So now I can put in. So I'm gonna use 2.5 to open up that port. Okay, left to loosey, turn it left. So there's like a rubber washer in there. I don't know if you can see it. So this is the oil funnel. It comes with a kit. The link is on the description down below. You just gotta screw it in there. Super easy. And then you're gonna pour in the Shimano, the mineral oil. Look at that color. It's pretty fresh and pink. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna, you see the bleeding port. So the kit came with this little hose and a syringe. So I'm gonna put the little hose on the port. It'll fit in there. Okay. And then I'm gonna screw in the syringe that came with it. Righty tighty, screw it in. And then we're gonna open up the bleeding port about 3/4 of a turn. That should be good. Okay, so left to loosey towards you, crack it open, and then what you're gonna do once you crack that open, you're gonna pull back on the syringe, suck all the bad hydraulic oil line on that line. Okay, close it up, and then I'm gonna show you how dirty it is. It's supposed to be pink, but look at this. It's black. Alright, now I'm gonna put it back in because you already suck it all out. And then I'm gonna open the port back up, and then I'm gonna suck the soul out of that hydraulic line. I'm gonna close it back up. So this is the second cycle. And then I'm gonna pour it back in, fill them all up, tap it up, tap it all off, and we're gonna put the syringe back in. Then we're gonna open it. This is the last cycle we're gonna do. It should be pink. We're gonna suck the soul out of the hydraulic line. Once we suck it all out, we're gonna tie them up, and I'm gonna show you this how it's supposed to be looking like. It's supposed to be pink. So everything is good to go. Tighten everything back up, and don't forget to subscribe and check out the link on the description down below where you can get the kit.